Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an accountant, bookkeeper, or someone who wants to build a professional career using QuickBooks, then you've probably heard about the QuickBooks ProAdvisor program. It's not just a certification, it's a way to boost your credibility, attract more clients, and gain access to exclusive tools and resources. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step on how to join the QuickBooks ProAdvisor program for free and start your journey as a certified ProAdvisor. So, let's get started. Step 1. Create a QuickBooks Online Accountant account. The very first thing you'll need is a free QuickBooks Online Accountant account. Head over to the QuickBooks website, sign up, and fill out the necessary details. This account will be your hub for managing clients and accessing ProAdvisor tools. Step 2. Access the ProAdvisor training. Once you've logged in, look for the ProAdvisor section on the left-hand menu. Click on it, and then go to Training. This is where all the certification resources are housed. Step 3. Start learning and preparing. Inside the training section, you'll find a variety of materials, self-paced modules, short videos, and even webinars. These are designed to help you understand QuickBooks Online inside and out. The great part is that all of this training is free, and you can move at your own pace. Step 4. Take the certification exam. When you feel confident, you can take the QuickBooks Online Certification exam. The exam requires a score of 80% or higher to pass, but don't worry. The training covers everything you'll need to know. And if you don't pass the first time, you can retake it after a short waiting period. Step 5. Complete your profile and start serving clients. After passing, the next step is to complete your ProAdvisor profile. This profile acts like your professional listing. It shows your certification badge, highlights your skills, and makes it easy for potential clients to find and contact you through QuickBooks official directory. From there, you'll have access to tools, discounts, and ongoing training to keep you at the top of your game. And that's it. You're officially on your way to becoming a QuickBooks ProAdvisor. By joining the program, you're not only learning how to use the software, but you're also opening doors to new clients and opportunities in the accounting world. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments below.